My love affair with the sounds of Kashmir and the Valley's instruments is well known. I have used them in Sound of Kashmir is the name of my first album also. I wanted to always bring that into my live act. वो करने के लिए बहुत ही challenging रहा है क्योंकि बहुत soft folk instruments हैं कश्मीर के और बैंड के साथ that live to bring along the vibe with the band which is fully electric sometimes is a huge challenge and it has taken me a lot of years to create the perfect balance and create this act and now it's ready to sort of rock. That's what I feel and I'm so excited about the fact that at a stage like Jaipur Music Stage for this act I'll be able to perform it and showcase it to the world what Kashmir sounds like.
रोश वाला यारो दिल भरो चलो चिनारो के घरो रोश वाला यारो दिल भरो चलो चिनारो के घरो रोश वाला यारो दिल भरो चलो चिनारो के घरो रोश वाला यारो अब चलो रोशन चिनारो
I've heard ABBA live for the first time and I thought the use of instruments, the folk instruments from Kashmir like Tumbak Nari and Rabab, it was just really, really beautiful.
I really enjoyed what ABBA sang today and I especially came to see ABBA today and I love the Kashmiri songs she sings and I can dance to it anytime.